Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence out here on a cold day on a Saturday, coming to you today, let you know about these flange post brackets that I've been talking about in some of the other videos here. Finally got off my couch, you know, to get out here and do it because, well, my goodness, look at this. It's snowing outside. Well, it's not snowing, but beautiful day. Anyway, this one here, easy base. Fence post bracket. You can drill it right into the concrete, give you a couple of screws in there. You could probably put that right on. I don't know about hanging a gate on that, maybe for a wall or something like that. You could definitely use for a concrete wall or concrete pad, small wood fence. This one here is another one. It's a for outdoor accents. It's an adjustable post base, but it's mainly designed for trellises and arbors and stuff like that, but it's an adjustable post base as well. Same thing, Simpson strong tie. Same thing here, just a smaller one. It's just a little bit more inexpensive one. Kind of the same concept, only this is a little bit more aesthetic and more pleasing probably to the eye. And then we have this one here that stands out among the rest. Substantial steel. You can drill and get that into the post, but again, I don't know about hanging a gate on it too much, not unless you had the transom or the trellis across the top there, because the more weight you do, it's probably just going to start pulling the wedge anchors out, so you don't want that, right? If you're doing professionalism, let's do something nice above the top. That way you can get yourself a couple of 4-foot gates if you're doing a double gate or a single gate or whatever. The point is, you know, you want to make it strong and substantial for these people, all right? Substantial steel. Put it on, you know, same thing here. It's not going to hold much weight on the gate if you just put it with a gate without a trellis or a transom like that. Anyway, there you go. John at Fix a Fence. Showing you some of these post brackets here. Flange post brackets. Flange post bracket mounts. Flange post bracket mounts. Flange mouse brackets. Flange post mount brackets. Let's call it that. Substantial steel. Keep smiling and have a great day.